This is part 2 in our Rigging Essentials series. Today we're going to be talking about polyester round slings, a different type of synthetic lifting sling, their uses, why they're so popular, and why it could be the right choice for your next pick. So as the name implies, a round sling is exactly that. It is a sling that is round by nature, but when you stretch it out linear, you have an end-to-end picking point. So you can use them in most of the same ways, in fact, all of the same ways that you might use a traditional flat sling, which we profiled in our first video. One of the key differences with round slings is that they're color-coded for strength. And the colors that you see in front of you today really represent the most popular color options to choose from. So starting with purple, you have the smallest, followed by green, yellow, red, and blue. And as a point of comparison, you can see this is a purple 4-foot sling and a blue 3-foot sling. Even though this is a foot shorter, it's still a lot bigger and bulkier than the purple sling. Why is that? Well, they're not just color-coded visually, the color actually represents a size. So the more wraps of polyester on the inside of the sling, the bigger it gets, the bigger the diameter. And those diameters have been separated out into these colors. So it's really helpful on a job site or even in the warehouse when a customer comes in to pick up a sling and they know ahead of time, I need yellow for this job, or I need the red sling today, or hey, get the blue sling. Now, if you need even bigger, of course, we have them. The colors start to change a little bit. They're not quite as common as these, but we have different colors, including orange, black, olive, brown. You can find those on our site. When you're on the polyester round sling page, look on the left-hand side and you'll see filters there for color, for capacity, what we commonly call working load limit. That's the safe weight rating for the sling. Do not use it in excess of that rating. And you can make all those selections there and really filter down to the sling that you need for your job. So I referenced a minute ago that these are wraps of polyester, and that's really the simplicity and kind of the beauty of a polyester round sling. It's truly just wraps of the proper heavy-duty polyester fiber on the inside of the sling, and those wraps are brought together and seized, and they sit on the inside of a jacket. Now here's a key point and a difference between flat slings and round slings. On a flat sling, everything you see is load-bearing. So as you start to eat through that outer surface on your flat sling, you're starting to reduce the capacity of the sling. Well, on a round sling, the jacket is exactly that. It's a jacket. You can damage this outer jacket and still have a sling that's inside fully intact. That's not to suggest that you want to use damaged slings. What it does suggest is that these slings are more prone to endure abrasion on a job site compared to a flat sling. Because they have that jacket, other slings do not. Now these slings on the table represent polyester round slings, and polyester kind of being the key word. There are more high-tech, newer fibers on the scene today, including aramids, Dyneema, new fibers that allow you to get a super lightweight, super strong sling. So that's not represented with these particular slings, but we offer those as well, so check them out on our site. Now, why might you pick a round sling instead of a flat sling? Well, in a traditional flat sling, that's an eye and eye configuration, meaning it has a loop on each end, your pick points are decided for you. You have to pick using an eye on one end and an eye on the other end. And whether you're doing a basketed lift, a choker lift, or even just a straight pick, you're dedicated using those two eyes for pick points. And those eyes, because they're used over and over, tend to wear out faster. Well, on a round sling, one nice advantage, if you're doing a vertical pick, meaning that you have the sling stretched out straight, you can change your pick point by simply rotating the sling 6 inches or 1 foot. Meaning that you can apply the load to the sling in different places over and over and extend the life of your sling. And one final point, as I referenced earlier, because these slings are color-coded, it's really helpful for somebody who is new on the team, who may not have a great comprehensive understanding of rigging, and they don't fully understand how to read the tags or the labels. If you commit these capacities to memory, or if you only assign certain slings to certain jobs or certain crews, then it's going to make it a little bit easier for your team to know exactly which sling to pick and what they're doing on the job site and operate safely. Final safety points on these slings, similar to flat slings, no cuts, rips, tears, melted spots, don't subject them to severe chemical exposure, all the stuff that might seem common sense. Never tie knots in your slings. If the sling is too long, perhaps you can double wrap it around your load, which is okay. If not, you simply need to get a different length of sling. Unlike chain slings, which can be made adjustable, these slings are fixed in length, so never tie knots to try to shorten them up. So on our site, you're gonna see that we have multiple choices of vendors and brands when it comes to buying slings. And polyester round slings is no different. Tuffy is our own in-house brand, and why do we think it might be the right choice for you? Well, we think Tuffy represents the best combination of value and quality and safety for a USA-made sling on the market today. All of our 5 locations where we make Tuffy slings are ISO 9001:2015 compliant. We're also members, in fact, we sit on the board of the Web Sling and Tie Down Association. Our team actually helps inform policy that oftentimes gets adopted by the government. So you have the peace of mind knowing that our slings are made in line with modern industry best practices. At Bishop, you will often hear us say, and you'll see it in our branding, trust the lift. What do we mean by that? The products that we bring to market are carefully manufactured, carefully selected, and meet all of the necessary safety standards so that you can proceed with confidence knowing that Bishop is a trusted partner. So it's not just a motto, it's really a mindset. It's how we go to work every day, and we try to bring that to the customer and the products that we offer. So that's going to conclude today's video, all about polyester round slings and the Tuffy brand. If you learned anything in this video, give us a thumbs up, share the video, leave us a comment or ask us a question. We have a dedicated team of rigging professionals that are here and ready to help you on your next rigging purchase. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for stopping by.